Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with a beautiful set of yellow nails. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm going in with this Color Club color in the color Just My Luck, which is a really pretty silver holographic polish that I use under my rhinestones. Next, I'm going in with this D&D gel polish in the color Summer Sun, which has been really popular. And we're just going to do that on the rest of her nails. To clean up around the cuticle area, I am using my cleanup brush, which is my 2-in-1 cleanup brush. Once again, this is the color Summer Sun by D&D, and I do have a website, or there's a website where they have these polishes for $6. They do come with a regular polish and a gel polish, and they're really good, so I'll leave the link in the description.
Here we go. Invincible.
Alrighty, so once again we're going in with our second coat, and we're doing that on both hands, and we are curing each hand for 30 seconds after each coat. So after both hands are cured, we're going to go in with some foil glue, and we're going to do that on this tip of the nail and on the thumb. And on the thumb, we're going to do it into a triangle shape. So I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush. I dipped it in acetone, and I'm just cleaning up that glue. And we're going to let this dry until it turns clear. And we're going to do the same thing on the other hand as well. And for this finger, we're going to apply some bling. So I applied my Mia Secret gel resin. I'm using some little gold pieces, and I'm applying them with my wax pencil. Once again, I use my Mia Secret gel resin, and I'm also going to be using the Mia Secret gel resin activator, which is a spray that just helps the glue dry. You can use the glue without the activator, but it just helps it dry so much faster, so I highly recommend it. And I'm also going to be using my SS6 and my SS12 bling. So now for the pinky, I applied the Mia Secret Gel Resin over the nail, and I'm going to go in with some gold caviar. I'm going to do that across the nail, and then I'm going to go back and fill in the rest of the nail with my SS6 and my SS12 bling. Once again, we're using my wax pencil, and we're using my Mia Secret Gel Resin, which is a glue. And no, you do not have to cure it, because everybody likes to ask that.
Here we go.
Alrighty, so now we're going back with the nail with the glue. So as you can see, I just dabbed the foil onto the nail, and then as you can see, our glue is clear, which means that it's dry. We're just dabbing the foil on the nail, and then we can come back and just clean up a little bit around the foil, because it do leave a little bit of residue on the rest of the nails. I'm doing the same thing on the other hand. I'm applying the foil glue, and then I'm gonna apply some bling as well. Okay, so for this nail, I'm going to go in with my IBD gel top coat, but for the rest of the nails, I'm going to go back and do my matte top coat. The only reason why I did a regular top coat on that one is because of the bling, but I am going to go back and do a matte top coat over it as well. I just want to make sure that the bling stays on the nail really good, and I didn't want to do the matte top coat over the bling. So whenever I go back and apply the matte top coat on the nail with the bling, I'm just going to do it around the little gold studs, if that makes sense. So for the rest of the nails, this is the matte top coat, and then I'm only applying the IBD gel top coat on the fingers with the rhinestones. As you can see, I'm applying it around the rhinestones, and then I'm going to cure this one for 30 seconds. Once again, I'm doing the IBD gel top coat on the finger, which is the rhinestones with the or the ring finger with the rhinestones, and then for the rest I'm just doing my matte top coat, and I am coming back and doing the matte top coat on the ring fingers after I cure the first coat. I also made sure that I did the top coat over the caviar to make sure that it stays on really good. And as you can see, I'm going back with my matte top coat on the ring finger, and then we're going to cure each hand for 60 seconds. Alrighty y'all, so this is the final look. As you can see, they look beautiful. That matte yellow is just so flawless. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at GetNailed32, and I'll see you guys next time.